The ABU's Bordo Granit X Plus 6500 is one of only 2 high-security folding bike locks currently available, and it's a great choice if you don't want to carry a bulky U-lock around. However, the Bordo 6500 comes with a couple of surprises. So before you decide this is the best lock for you, read my full hands-on review. I'll talk about how secure it is, how easy it is to carry around and use, and if it's not quite right for you, I'll suggest some alternatives. How secure is the ABU's Bordo 6500? This is the first surprise. ABUs themselves give it a 15/15. Maximum Secured and Sold Secure have tested it and awarded it a gold rating. This makes it a high-security bike lock for high-risk situations. However, ART have also tested it and only gave it 2/5 stars. Now, 2/5 stars from ART, but it's a score that used to be equivalent to a silver rating from Sold Secure. Now times have changed, and there are quite a few gold-rated locks that also have 2/5 stars from ART. But most gold-rated locks have 3/5 stars if they're rated by ART. So what do we deduce from this? Well, the Bordo 6500 is still a high-security lock, but it's at the bottom end of the gold rating. Other gold-rated U-locks will be more secure than the Bordo. This is because folding locks are inherently less secure than equivalent U-locks. The bars are thinner than U-lock shackles, and the nuts that hold the bars together are also susceptible to attack. Is the ABU's Bordo 6500 easy to carry? This is where folding locks really shine. The problem with U-locks is that when you attach them to your bike, their center of gravity is away from the frame, and the frame mounts struggle to hold U-locks firmly in place when their weight is distributed in this way. This means they can work loose, rattle, and even fall off. Generally, the more secure a U-lock is, the heavier it is, and the heavier it is, the more weight is distributed away from the frame, and the more the frame mount struggles to hold the lock in place. Some of the heaviest high-security U-locks don't even come with frame mounts for this very reason. Since folding locks collapse down into a neat, compact package, we shouldn't have this problem, even with a relatively heavy high-security lock like the Bordo 6500. When they're in the case, their center of gravity is very close to the frame, and this means the frame mount has much less trouble holding them in place. There shouldn't be any movement, rattling, or falling off. The Bordo 6500 comes with a very sturdy plastic and rubber frame mount which can be attached to your bike in 2 ways. If your bike has holes for attaching a water bottle mount, you can screw the frame mount into these. If not, the case comes with 2 thick Velcro straps that will fasten it anywhere on your frame. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Keep watching and stay with us subscribing to this channel. Have a great day.